this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your AirPods volume is either too quiet or too low. So there's actually a few ways to go and fix the volume of your AirPods. Now the first thing you want to do is obviously just ensure that your volume is actually turned up. You can do that just by coming over to the side of your phone and then just using the up volume button to go and increase the volume, and obviously make sure this is just turned up to maximum. Now once you've done this, we're going to try resetting our AirPods, as this can also fix most sound related issues. So you're just going to come over to your AirPods and you're going to flick open the lid of your AirPods like this. Make sure both of the AirPods are placed inside of the case, and then you're going to come around to the back of the case and you should see this small button on the case like so. Sometimes this can be located on the front of the case as well, depending on your model of AirPods. And all we're simply going to do is hold this button down for around about 10 to 15 seconds. You just need to keep holding it down until this flashing white light turns into an amber orange color. So I'm going to keep holding it down until we see this white light change color. And as soon as you see it change color like this, you can see it's orange now. We can then go and release our finger from this button. And then what you can do is just come over to your device and you can go and reconnect your AirPods to your phone or whatever device you're using. Now, if that's not working, there's actually some settings on the iPhone itself that we can go and change to make the volume louder. So first thing you want to do is just open up the settings application on your phone. We're then going to scroll down to accessibility, scroll down again until you see audio and visuals and click on this. Click on headphone accommodations and we're going to enable and turn on this feature. Next to tune audio for, select balance tone and then go and adjust this slider all the way over to strong. And as you can see, it will say soft sounds will be boosted slightly, moderately, or strongly. Now, once you've done this, you can once again check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, come back over to the settings page. From the main settings window, scroll down and click on sounds and haptics. Scroll down again and click on headphone safety. And make sure reduce loud audio is turned off and disabled, as this is another reason why your AirPods may be low in volume. So once you've turned this off, you can once again check to see if that's fixed the issue. Now, if you've tried all of these steps and it's still not working, what we're going to do is just perform a soft reset on your phone. Now to do this, we're going to tap the volume up button, tap the volume down button, and then hold the power button on the right hand side of your phone. So I'm going to do this with you now. Tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold down the power button, and you just need to keep holding down this button until your phone eventually turns off. So I'm just going to keep holding this button down, keep holding it down, and we're going to keep holding this button until you see the Apple logo appear, and then you can go and release your power button and the phone should now restart. Now, the very last thing you can do is try cleaning the AirPods as well. So you can just go and remove each of the AirPods individually. And if there's any dust or debris that's kind of built up around these speakers on the AirPods, this can also cause the sound and the volume to appear low on your AirPods. So you can get something like a cotton bud or a small cloth just to make sure all of the dust and debris are out from the edges. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.